It was very comfortable to have these total strangers come into my house and do work I would normally do myself. The two gentlemen that came out to actually do the repair, super friendly, explained everything. This is what we're going to be doing, this is how we're going to do it. And so there was nothing left to guess. I'm Alan, I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana. And we first heard about Peterman. My wife got one of those value packs in the mail, which I usually don't, I just throw them in the trash. She went through and she looked up Peterman and called up. When I came home, she told me she had signed us up. I wasn't exactly thrilled, but I'm a do-it-yourselfer. But 3 weeks later, we had a plumbing problem, which I could not physically do. Well, first we noticed some water under the sink, and my wife pointed out to me about 11 o'clock that night. So the next morning, I got up and took a look at it. Another part of the plumbing had actually pulled loose from under the sink, and it was just, there's no way I could fix it. So this one was an opportunity to give Peterman a try. First they came out with one representative who did the estimate of the job, and what was really cool about that, they sent us a bio of this gentleman before he came out. And so we got a picture of him, we got a little history on him, and part of that was he was a vet, which I'm a veteran also, which kind of adds to the validity. He came out, was super nice, went through the whole thing and gave us an estimate, and the next day two guys came out and they started working on it, and they just knocked it out. While they were under the house fixing the original problem, they said they heard some running water. Turns out that our shower drain was not connected. So they gave us another estimate. They came out a day after that and did that. They also put us in contact with a cleanup service, Midwest, which came out and they did the cleanup underneath and dried out the basement. And then I wasn't too sure, okay? I haven't seen this work, so I said, can you give me photographs? They provided me all the photographs I needed, the before, after, the damage, the cleanup, everything. And so I was very pleased because I used to do all this stuff myself, and now I'm getting the age and physical abilities where I can't do that. And so I decided, no, this was good. I most definitely would recommend Peterman. The people coming in, one, are professional, and you're secure in having these people in your house. The quality of their work is second to none. So you can do this good stuff. Yeah. You don't have to do it yourself, and you can trust these people coming into your house to do quality work, timely, and at a decent price.